Hello, this is Edgar Arceo from the Heset Financial Group, and today I am talking from my house because this is coronavirus season, which means that my kids are here playing, having the time of their life, but I had to find the quietest room in my house, which is the guest room. But I wanted to talk to you about something very serious, and that is what's happening today with the economy. A lot of financial planners, most financial advisors have been telling us to put almost or all of our money in the stock market. Everything sounds good until something like this happens. And maybe you already know, but when you put stress, when there's trouble in a person, is when you will see the real person coming out. Isn't that true? And I think the same applies to our financial planning, our financial strategy. When there is an economic collapse, and economic pressure, is when the real character of our financial strategy comes to the light. And this was not an exception. So we can see that what the financial advisors have been telling us to do was a big failure. It is not what they told us that it was going to be. And a lot of people have lost so much of their money. I feel so bad for them. If you had $100,000, now you just have 75, maybe less. And not only that, but there's another factor that is priceless, and that is the liquidity. When you have your money in these plans with the stock market, with qualified plans, things like that, you many times you will have to pay a penalty to take your money out. You will have to pay taxes maybe, and you also need to time the stock market. You cannot take it when it's down, because then you're not gonna see the fruit of the recovery. And but when something like this happens, because of the coronavirus, a lot of people cannot go to work. Self-employed people, their business is going down. They are not generating as much, and they had to tap into their savings. I mean, they just have to. And what if all their savings, or most of their savings, is in the stock market? And that's why a 770 account is so crucial for any financial planning. The 770 account has proven to be the safest and more reliable financial strategy for the last 150 years or so. It will not lose value even throughout the worst financial crisis, even through all market crashes, the Great Depression, World War One and Two, the pandemics, now the coronavirus, you name it. So if you don't know much about this strategy, but you're kind of interested, you would like to maybe ask some questions to see if this would be a good strategy for you and your family, let's schedule a 10-20 minutes appointment. Let's talk about it. I'm not like your typical salesman. I am not going to try to make a sale just to get a commission. I am very straightforward, and if I don't think this is a good fit for you, I'm gonna be the first one telling you not to do it. I prefer to give my clients the best, even if that means losing a sale. So just call me, no pressure, or send me a text, send me an email, and let's schedule an appointment and see what we can do for you. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.